Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a 99V sent in by Squirrel. Squirrel sent this radio in for Jeff, because I guess Jeff's getting it from Squirrel, and that's the way them good old Alabama guys like to do it. They like to make sure their stuff's right before they pass it along. So we went through this radio for Jeff, went completely through it, and did the works on it, fixed a few issues, brand new meter and such, and did a full alignment. So that's what we got going on here. We're going to start out with the receive here. We had her at S9. We'll take her down. About negative 106 for 12 dB. About negative 122. So we'll go back to TX side now. Now, the way I got this set up for you, the way I got this set up for you, Jeff, variable power all the way up is about 6 watts. Okay, variable power all the way down is about a watt. Okay. Anyway, it's crystal clear on the spectrum analyzer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Yeah, it's looking good. We're gonna turn this up so we can listen to it too. Hello, radio. Check 1, 2. Hello. I'll turn it up a little more. Hello. Oh, not that much. Hello, radio. Check, check. I'll turn it down a little bit more. Sorry, guys. Hello, radio. We'll get it right here in a minute. 99V sounding good. Break, break. So, anyway, radio come out great, Jeff. I don't see any issues. It ought to make you really good, old 99, DX99V. Come out real good and clean. We'll go out to 300 megahertz. Y'all know how we do them. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come out real good. So we're going to get this in the box and get it back to you along with your General Lee with the AD203. And we got your little video for that coming up. And we appreciate your business. Y'all have a good one. Be safe, be careful, be kind. We'll catch you next time. I'm gone.